We are here at 255 SummerField Drive, Romeoville, Illinois. Today's Friday, May 15th, 2026. And today we're going to be performing an attempted shingle repair on this shingle right here, labeled Shingle 1. And Eric is using a roof snake, which is suggested and preferred through the insurance. And Eric's going to go ahead and take over from here.
In order for me to take out shingle number 1, I must take out shingle number 3 and 4 because they are nailed into the decking and into the shingle. I will now proceed to take it out as gentle as possible. You can see it, it's already partially ripped right there. You can see major granite loss. You can see right here, it is pierced. Another one, point of impact. Then we have another point of impact right here, and another one right here. 2 and 1. We have another one right here. As you can see, we have another one right there. We have another one. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 so far. Here's the 9th. Alright, here's the 10th. There's 10 of them. This attempted repair has failed. I will no longer proceed. There's been too many damages.